Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Cerelac for your 6-month-old baby. First, ensure impeccable hygiene. Always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before you begin. Gather your clean utensils and a sterilized bowl. It is crucial to follow the specific preparation instructions provided on your Cerelac package, as formulations can vary slightly. This ensures your baby receives the correct nutrients and a safe meal. Now, let's achieve the perfect consistency for your little one. Start by taking 1 level scoop of Cerelac powder. Then, gradually add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of water that has been boiled and then cooled to a lukewarm temperature. Stir the mixture continuously until it forms a smooth, lump-free paste. The ideal consistency for a 6-month-old should be semi-liquid, easy for them to swallow. Adjust the water slowly if needed. For your baby's first feeding, begin with a small amount. Offer just 1 to 2 teaspoons of the freshly prepared Cerelac. Use a small, soft-tipped spoon designed for infants to gently introduce the food. Pay close attention to your baby's reactions. Look for any signs of allergies or discomfort. As your baby becomes more accustomed to solids and shows acceptance, you can gradually increase the portion size over time. Finally, remember these important safety tips. Always prepare a fresh batch of Cerelac for every feeding session to maintain hygiene and nutritional value. It is crucial to discard any leftover Cerelac after your baby has finished eating. Do not store it. Never add extra salt, sugar, or honey to your baby's food, as these are not suitable for infants. Always consult your pediatrician before introducing any new foods into your baby's diet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.